Hey guys, how y'all doing? I'm here in my office where I do my video editing, and I've got something new I want to show y'all. It's something I've been wanting for a long time, and I finally broke down and just got it. And it's hopefully gonna help my videos, give them an extra dimension when I use it. I won't always be able to use it, but when I do use it, it'll give y'all an extra perspective of what I'm doing. So, well, here's what it is. It's a Mavic 2 Pro quadcopter, or some people like to call them drones. And I got this on Amazon, and I got the Mavic 2 fly more kit with it. I just bought the whole 9 yards. I mean, it's got all kinds of stuff with it. I'm not going to get into everything that came with it, but here it is, and I'm getting ready to open it up and take a look at it and see what we got. So, if y'all want to come along with me, I'll set you right here. Sorry about the movie playing in the background. The kids are watching the movie. Okay. So, I'm going to go ahead and try to figure out how to get this thing out of here. Come on now. There we go. It did have plastic around it, but I done took the plastic off. So we'll go ahead and open this. Oh wow, look at this box. Anyway, here it is. This is the drone. This is the controller. You actually snap your phone into it somehow. I have no clue about this thing. I've been flying model helicopters for several years, so this thing doesn't scare me, but it's all new to me. I've never seen how all this works and goes together. Obviously the propellers need to go on. This thing is folded up. Here it is. I'll get it out, but it don't have the propellers on it. And you fold it out like this somehow. Yeah, there we go. Anyway, we'll set you back over here. You fold it out. There we go. So that's what you got basically. And then you got to put the propellers on. And then I don't know if this is this is one of the batteries. Charge the battery. So that's what I'm going to start doing now, is charging up the batteries and putting this thing together. And I have to register it with the FAA. Also, there's one other thing that I had to do that I wasn't planning on having to do, that I didn't really know about until recently. If you want to use something like this for YouTube footage that you're going to be making any sort of revenue off of, you have to have a Part 107 license to do that, which is basically a commercial license to fly your drone. If you don't have that and you make money with this thing, you can get in big trouble and get fined. So I actually went and did that today. I went and took that test for the 107, and I passed it with a 95. So I got the certificate. I have to get online and request my small plastic or laminated permit that the FAA sends you. But I had no idea there was so many rules and regulations that went along with these things, but now I do, and yeah, I'm trying to comply with them. So it wasn't too terrible. I did study for a couple of days before I went with some stuff I found online, and it wasn't too bad. So anyway, here it is. Here's the camera. Camera's on the front. It's got this protective housing over it here, and yeah, it's this is the top of the line from DJI right now. I got a lot to learn. Let's just put it that way. I got a lot to learn. But when I do learn, hopefully y'all will get the benefit from this. The job that we're on now, the big job, they're doing a lot of grading and earth moving, and I would love to get some footage of that stuff. So hopefully I can get this thing in the air for y'all and get some footage of that whole job so you can see what's going on. I think that would be really neat, and I think y'all would enjoy it. And I know I'm excited to see what kind of footage I can get from this thing. But anyway, this is kind of an unboxing video, but kind of not. So I'm going to start putting it together and registering everything, and I'll let y'all know how it goes. We'll see y'all later. Hey guys, how's it going today? I'm here on the big job site. And I'm getting ready to do a little bit of drone flight over this place. This will be my first time flying this drone. Very first time flying it. And I don't know how it's going to go, but hopefully I can get some footage of what's going on here. I'm kind of over here at a vantage point where I can see most of the job, about all the job site, so I won't lose line of sight of the drone. And hopefully I can get some decent footage of what's going on. We got some grading going on, we got some pipe laying going on, we got some dirt hauling going on, some panning going on. There's a lot going on, and hopefully I can show y'all around this place just a little bit. So here we go. Okay, so the drone is in the air right now, and I got everything set up here. Hopefully this is going to go okay. We're going to see. So let's go over and see if we can check out what's going on. With Dad here. This is really freaking me out. I'm going to start recording. And wow, this is awesome. And still freaking me out. Okay, I'm gonna pan down if I can remember how. Let's see here. There we go. Y'all just bear with me because I'm still learning how to do all this. It says I'm flying at 300 feet, so I'm going to bring it down. I'm sorry, it says I'm flying at 72 feet. Now over here is over here's where my dad is running the 200. Looks like they're having a powwow. There ain't nothing going on right there now. This is where we've been laying pipe at. You can see the little roller, and you see we just put a structure in right there, and they've been backfilling, and they've got right here they're grouting in a structure right here. I'm gonna get down a little closer so y'all can. The thing is compensating really hard for the wind. The wind, it keeps gusting, and this is my first time, so I'm not the best at this yet. But anyway, we'll see if they notice me over here. I'm only 24 feet above ground level right now. Andy just looked up at me. Eddie just looked up. Alright, let's turn around here and look. You can see where they've been rolling the ditch. There's my dad. Can tell by the way he's walking, the guy on the right. Now we got to connect that pipe right there in the center of the screen. We got to connect it to that manhole. I see he's got the water draining to it now finally. We've been fighting some water because we had to start on the uphill side and lay downhill, which we don't normally like to do, but we had to do it because of time restraints, and they needed to fill in. They needed to fill in. Sorry, I'm flying and trying to talk at the same time. They had to fill in over here. See where they've been filling in for the building pad? See, we had to get the pipe in so they could fill over top of it, because the building goes right about where that Arctic truck is. And see this big old compactor here? That's a Haynes Brothers machine. Now that Volvo truck is ours. And everybody's shutting down for lunch, which I did not want to happen, but I didn't get over here in time. I may have to come back and do this later. But there's a John Deere tractor with the hood up. That's how you normally see John Deere tractors. I want to make sure to get a good close-up view of that, because you know this is how you normally see a John Deere tractor. I'm just giving y'all a hard time. I'm just so nervous right now. I don't know, I'm just rambling about everything. But anyway, there's the DH y'all seen ripping rock. There's some pans, and everybody shut down for lunch. So I'm just gonna come back and what I'm going to do is come back after lunch. That way we can catch some of this equipment in action. So I'm going to go ahead and stop recording for right now and come land this baby if I can. This is really awesome though. I can't believe I'm actually doing this, but it's pretty cool. Alright, see y'all in a little bit.